Magandang hapon mga tropa pips. Ngayong araw ay May 16, 2021. Time check 1:29 PM. Nandito kami sa 13 Martires City, Cavite. At after namin mag late lunch dito sa Quatox, Pares, Bulaluhan, Kambingan, ay nagplano kami ni OBR na mag trial ride going to Kaibiyang Tunnel if makakalusot. So antabayanan nyo kami guys. Balikan ko kayo in a short while. Bye. Hi guys, subukan lang namin dumaan dito sa loob ng Naik Ternate Road going to Kaibiyang Tunnel. Baka walang checkpoint. Balikan kayo in a short while. Bye. Hi guys at mga tropa pips, daming twist and turns dito sa Ternate na Nasugbu Road. Kaya mag-ingat kayo guys kapag cruising along the roadway. Baka mag-overshoot sa mga kurbada. na-observe ko din na madalang ang mga bikers dahil siguro sa quarantine checkpoints na pinapatupad sa Ternate boundary. Enjoy lang nyo ang rides and stay safe. Bye!
Let's go. Here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic. Mix in the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Yes, let's go.
Turning left na tayo guys, going to Nasugbu, Batangas via Caybiang Tunnel.
From the top, let's go. From the top, let's go.
Hi guys, not allowed pala dito mag-standby parking sa Caybiang Tunnel. Sinita kami ng police mobile. Ayun oh. Entering Caybiang Tunnel na kami guys. Ternate side at 2:16 PM. Little trivia guys, ang Kaibiyang Tunnel ay 4.85 meters in height at 300 meters in length. As of this 2021, ang Kaibiyang Tunnel ang longest road tunnel to date sa Pilipinas.
Wow!
Nag-start construction noong 2012, ginamitan ito ng tunnel boring machine passing under Mount Palaypalay.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! After ng short ride trip namin dito sa famous Kaibiyang Tunnel ay balik na kami sa Carmona, Cavite via Ternate, Naik, Tres Marias City, General Trias, Dasmariñas at General Mariano Alvarez. Lahat ay meron common road network connection at ito ay ang mahabang Governor's Drive. Naging effective din ang executive order na pinapa-implement ng provincial government ng Cavite last March 2021 para i-restrict ang movements ng mga local tourists para na din sa environment at safety ng mga biyaheros. Kudos sa LGU ng Cavite na wala na ang mahabang traffic at maraming motorist na pa-standby sa tabi ng kalsada. Hindi kami nakapag-souvenir photo sa Kaibiyang Tunnel kasi meron nakabantay na pulis. Pero okay lang naman. Some other time na lang. So, ride safe mga tropa peeps. Stay safe. Magandang hapon. Bye! Hi guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe as well. I appreciate very much. This is Tony Moto TV. Enjoy life, ride safe, stay safe. A salute to all frontliners. Bye bye guys, good afternoon.